The traditional HealthyRice variety, which belongs to the HealthyRice family, is very suitable for various diseases of the body, for immunity development, for increasing sexual strength in both men and women, for overcoming sexual impotence and for orgasm, for sexual sensitivity and sperm development. The traditional HealthyRice variety, which is suitable for cultivation in the Maha season in the wet zone and interzones, is a red rice variety suitable for daily consumption to maintain the health of the body. The importance of consuming Kuruluthuda rice daily and its nutritional properties. Acne, skin healing, brightens the skin. Skin healing, acne control, suitable for acne patients caused by mental illness. Cancer, prevents cancer, has medicinal properties that kill cancer cells, removes cancer-causing agents from the body, and is recommended for cancer patients. Diabetes, cures diabetes or diabetes mellitus, controls diabetes. Recommended for diabetics. Cholesterol, LDL. Controls unwanted oil/fat in the body, aids in fat digestion, and reduces unwanted LDL cholesterol. Immunity and physical strength, improves the human immune system, maintains balance in the body, and strengthens and develops physical strength in both men and women. Pregnant and lactating mothers, young children, daily consumption of porridge and rice is recommended for pregnant and lactating mothers, as well as children. It is beneficial for maintaining the body of young children and for lactating mothers to produce milk. It is very helpful in developing the physical strength of young children. Liver/gastrointestinal diseases, reduces fatty deposits in the liver, suitable for cirrhosis. It has been shown to have significant medicinal properties in the treatment of conditions such as jaundice/hepatitis. Activates liver enzymes. Suitable for gastrointestinal diseases. Constipation, digestion, constipation, facilitating digestion, increasing the functioning of the digestive system. Blood, controls blood poisoning, increases insulin production, heals wounds, controls blood sugar levels, increases hemoglobin production and quantity in the blood, purifies the blood, and increases blood flow in the body. Inflammation, cooling the body, controlling swelling and inflammation in the body, and reducing body temperature. Urinary tract, prevents urinary tract infections, controls the excretion of nutrients with urine. Prevents urinary tract diseases and stone formation, and relieves urinary discomfort. Sexual energy, sexual sensitivity, increases male sexual energy, improves male sexual potency, and enhances sexual sensitivity for ejaculation and orgasm. Joint pain and stiffness, controls arthritis and joint diseases. Gallbladder, maintains gallbladder health, improves function, prevents gallstones and is suitable for maintaining gallbladder health. Bones, bone marrow, cartilage, it is very beneficial for the skeletal system. It also prevents the loss of calcium from cartilage and improves the function of bone marrow. Muscles, to relax tight muscles and relieve pain. Hair, nourishes hair, giving it a strong, shiny hair follicle.